welcome back to How to Haley. I'm Haley from How to Haley, and I'm going to show you guys today how to make a notebook. So first, you're going to take how many pages you want out of a notebook, or just copy paper or computer paper. You're going to take them like this, and all you're going to need is some copy paper or computer paper or any kind of paper, scissors, duct tape. I have this roll and this strip because my other one ran out. And that's it. So let's get started. So this is going to be the back of your notebook. You're going to take it. You're going to get your duct tape. You're going to line it up. You're going to just line it up. This will be your spine for your notebook. So, just be aware that this is the spine. So, I'm going to take it. Now, you don't have, everything's not perfect. Nothing's perfect, to be exact. So, I'm trying to get it almost as perfect as I can, but you can have your parents' permission, you can have your parents' help. I'm not, but that's alright. So, you can see I only have that strip. Now I'm going to take my other one because my other one ran out, so I like that it's two different colors. So, yeah. Keep rolling for this here. This video would be easier if I just had not used the last strip, because it's harder when I have something that just ran out. So, it's alright. I like both of these, but I think I like the other one more, so I wish I had more, but I'm going to have to buy more duct tape because this is my last roll. So, I'm just going to squeeze those together. That. So, we're going to take it. And this does not have to be perfect, like I said before. Nothing's perfect. Don't make yourself feel like you have to have it perfect. But nothing's perfect, so don't worry about it. Alright. So just well, it's alright. We'll have to make it. It's alright. These scissors are not that great, so just bear with me here. I don't know why this is so hard to do, but it is, so just bear with me here. So, alright, finally got that cut. Now you have your notebook, which I'm going to do this. Just put those in there for a second. I'm going to try and do this. I don't know if it's going to work. It might. bear with me here. If yours does this, put it in like the first page. Put the ones that aren't connected. Now I'm gonna open it up and then put tape there. That way they all stay. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So just bear with me here, because we're gonna get this done. Alright, so if you haven't seen my last video, I made something else with duct tape. It was duct tape bracelets. So make sure you go and watch that video, because it's good. I showed you how to make duct tape bracelets. You know, duct tape bracelets is always good. So, and you have your duct tape notebook. It was really easy and fun. So, yours should look like mine with not the same duct tape, unless you do have the same duct tape as me. So, open it up. But there's another piece of duct tape. Well, that's alright. So, if you like this video and my other videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!